yeah. Ooh. The inbox preview. Can we get some hype for the DualSense? Much heavier than a PS4 controller. Woo! Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Woo, 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 woo. All right, bro. Look at this thing. Yo, this thing is legit, bro. This is the PlayStation freaking 5, yo, in my hands. Just kidding, it's the hat. Dude, isn't that thing big? It's a big old... Ah! This is magnificent. Daddy's home. All right, what do we do now? This is what I like. This thing is sick here. And I will see you guys on the next stream. It has been fun. It has been very fun.